Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering the TV and grabbing the remote. That saves time if a restart is needed. Once done, press Home or Menu and navigate directly to Settings. Look for Accessibility first or Sound when accessibility is absent. Make sure you note the model number in About TV if menu labels differ, because Samsung updates rename features. This step gets you into the right menu quickly so you can change the auto voice behavior without guessing around. Now navigate the menus. Under Accessibility, find Voice Guide or Audio Description and tap to open that submenu. If you don't see it, go into Sound then Expert Settings and search Audio Description or Narration. Samsung sometimes moves options between firmware versions. Toggle the Voice Guide or Audio Description switch off. You should hear the narration stop immediately. Make sure to select Apply or OK when prompted, because simply exiting may not save the change on some models. To finish, restart the TV to ensure settings stick. Use the power menu or unplug for 30 seconds, then power back on. If auto voice persists, check connected devices and apps. Some streaming apps have their own audio narration, or your set-top box may force audio description. Adjust those separately. If nothing stops it, reset accessibility defaults as a last resort, but know this removes custom settings. That troubleshooting sequence covers most cases and gets you back to regular sound quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.